Okay, we're back with what will probably for now be the final installment of Monoblock Monday. Just for now. I'm getting low on monoblocks. I think I only got 2 left after this one. Uh, but before we can get on to this Avis, which will be this week's giveaway, I have to pick a winner for last week's. So what I have is I have a spinner wheel on my laptop over here to the side, and I have everybody's names written down. So I'm going to spin the wheel, and we'll see who it is. Okay. So this week's winner is Martin Stockbridge 3449. He won from the comment section. So Martin Stockbridge 3449. The email for my channel is in the description of my channel. So just send me an email. Say, hey, this is Martin Stockbridge 3449. And send your address and everything, and I will get the Sisa with a key sent out to you some point this week. Okay, so with that being done, this week is an Avis 8263, which I do also have the key for. I actually have the key for most of my locks. So just let me get this set up in the vise, and then we'll try to get into it. But congratulations, Martin. Alright, let's see. Let's get you in there good and tight. Let's see about getting you over here. Let me find my... okay, I got my Peterson, and I got a pry bar. Maybe it's a 40, maybe it's a 50. I'm not quite sure yet. Yeah, maybe it's a 32. I forget what I usually use for this one. I haven't touched this lock in quite a while. Alright, so why are you not even going in? I know for a fact. I might have to switch my dang bar altogether. This is embarrassing, huh? Of course you're gonna be too big. There we go. This is why I keep multiple tension tools on hand. Again, I'm probably not gonna talk too much about this one as I'm doing it, because I don't want to give all the secrets of the lock away. But for the most part, if you're paying attention, you probably get somewhat of a handle on it. Unless, of course, I just mess everything up. I'm laughing at myself because I have no idea what I'm stuck on. There we go. Okay. Like I said, this is one of those locks that I haven't even touched in a while. But, you know. So again, if you want to enter this week's, the last installment of the Monoblock Monday for a little while, either come back here and comment Monoblock Monday, hashtag Monoblock Monday on this video, or if you make videos, put a video up and just at me in it so I know you did it, and then I'll come back through and I may for this week, I may do something. Now, for right now, so just go ahead and do that, and I'll do the same random picking order that I did. But yeah, that is the Avis 8263, and this is Monoblock Monday.